Recovering from knee surgery, the ActiveWrap Long Duration Knee Wrap provides hours of cold therapy without the use of machines or medications. Designed by physical therapists, it's perfect for total knee replacement or ACL tears or ruptures. You get 2 packs of gel packs that last approximately 2 hours. It's comfy, portable, and machine-free. So move more freely and stay on top of that recovery. It's designed for either knee. You can adjust the fit and skip the use of a machine. Next, we're going to show you how to apply the ActiveWrap Knee Wrap. Now we're going to show you how to apply your ActiveWrap Long Duration Knee Wrap. So when you get it, the packs are going to come in sleeves like this. You do not need to take them out of the sleeves. These are going to attach right into the wrap. Also, when it's time to refreeze them, you can stick the entire pouch in the freezer just like this.
Quick reminder, if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to our channel or think about giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us, and it helps us create content for you. Also, you can purchase the products featured in the video directly from our YouTube store. Now let's get back to the review.
So take one of these pouches and stick it into place right here on the wrap, and put the second one right here. So when they're in place, they should look something like this. Once you've got them securely fastened, we're going to go ahead and put the wrap on our knee. So I'm going to start by bringing around the bottom strap first, fasten it securely in place, and then go ahead and bring around the top strap and do the same. And once you've got it on, you can go ahead and loosen or tighten it depending on your need. And once it's securely in place, it should look something like this. Now that you know how to apply your ActiveWrap Long Duration Wrap, be sure to check out our other videos on all the ActiveWrap products that we sell. Like and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an important video. And as we like to say around here, let's get back to living.